So today is Tip Tuesday. I'm going to try to get in the habit of doing these tips for you guys. Okay. So today is a very simple tip. However, I've been seeing this a lot lately. People asking for their links or forgetting different how to get into something, how to access training, their affiliate links when you ask them for different things. So I'm going to show you a simple way to keep track of everything, and it's easy and it's free. And I've started doing this, so I am actually going to show you mine so that you can see how simple and easy it is to keep everything in one spot, so that this way you never lose anything. You don't lose your links. You don't lose your access training if you're not bookmarking them. Okay, you can bookmark them in Google. However, I'm going to show you another way. Okay, so let me go here to my Google. So as you go over here to these little dots and you click on these, scroll down, it's going to take you to Google Docs. Okay, super simple. This is free. Okay, you can see I use this all the time. I have a ton of Google documents here. However, what I want to show you today is my affiliate links. So this way, when somebody asks me about a program that I've put out there and they say, oh, send me some information on it, I have everything on one page. So all I have to do is come here, scroll down, find my affiliate link that they're asking me for, or if I'm doing a video or if I'm doing a post, all of my links are in one spot. Okay, this way it's super easy to access, super easy to find everything. You're not wasting time. You're not spending money on a program. Google Docs is totally free. Okay, and everything is in one place. So you can keep track of everything easily and you're ready, right? The whole point is to be a leader, right? I also have another forum that has all my trainings on it that I have bookmarked for different programs. So have different documents, different Google Docs for every different thing. So as you can see, this is my affiliate links here. Okay. If I go back to my docs over here, you can see I have a ton. I have my generic YouTube paragraph. I have different things. I have all my IPS links are all in one spot. So they're super easy. Here's my IPS YouTube paragraph. You can label these. You can literally make as many as you want, you guys. So easy, so simple to do. Keep everything organized in one place. This is my simple tip for you for Tip Tuesday. I hope this helps keep you organized and keeping all your things in one place, because lately I've been getting a lot of messages. People can't find their links. They're asking me how to access different trainings that into programs that they've been in. I've also seen it in some chat groups that I'm in where people are like, I can't find my link. I can't find this. I can't find this. So I hope this helps you stay organized, keep everything in one place. Google Docs is so simple to use, easy to use. Just copy and paste your links, title them like I did so that you know what these links are. All my affiliate links are one. My IPS links are one. I have more, but there's some personal information on some of them, so I'm not going to show all of them. But it's easy to do. Super easy. This is my quick tip of the day for Tip Tuesday. Hope this helps. Let me know if you like these kinds of videos, and I'll be talking to you soon. Thanks for watching.